Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here to do a quick flip through of Cara Brandon's Sunflower Soiree digital kit. This is what I will be using for this month's design team project, and it is so pretty. I wanted to share it with you. I think this will be a great kit for using end of summer, moving into fall, and I'm really excited. So here's my flip through. So we've got this beautiful page, which I think would be beautiful in the middle of a signature. We've got this with the great big sunflower on it. Here we've got a collage page. So you could use it as a page, or you could take bits and pieces of it, whatever you wanted to do. Here we've got this, so that if you fold it in half, you'd have a sunflower on each side of your signature. We've got this beautiful page. And this, I love the way she brought in some blues. And this one, which is kind of a collage-y page. Again, you could use it as an entire page, or you could take bits and pieces of it and use however you wanted. And then this with some more blues in it, and the green splattered on it. I love that. Here we've got this page with this wonderful stenciling or stencils on it. I think that's great. Really adds dimension to the whole page. Then we move into the background pages. So here we've got text with some green on it. We've got text here with some blue on it. We've got text here with the yellow on it. Here we have sunflowers going in all different directions with little bits of blue splatter on it. Here we've got some blue butterflies. And some yellow butterflies. And then we get into ephemera pages. So here we've got these gorgeous tags. And more tags with the ladies on it, and that great big sunflower image again that I love so much, and the green butterfly. And then here we have the tags in a smaller format. The same 6 tags, but in a smaller format. Then we come over here and we've got 4 pockets. And then we start moving into our ephemera pages. So you've got all sorts of ephemera labels. These little, looks like crocheted doily type things. All sorts of images to play with and use. And here we've got more ephemera. Could be used to make other things, or used for journaling cards. Then we've also got some of Cara's Friday freebies that you can get from her Facebook group. So in July, she did a Friday freebie with the greenish butterflies. And then I don't remember what date that was on, but it was in July. And then on July 16th, she did an entire ephemera page. And on August 6th, she did this page. So you've got more pockets, more journaling cards, more tags, more ephemera. So all sorts of extras to add to your sunflower kit. So that's the kit I'm going to be working with for this month's Cara Brandon design team project. And I hope to have this done shortly for you. Be sure to check out Cara's Etsy shop. I will have her links below for her Etsy shop, her Facebook group, and her YouTube channel. And I will talk to you all very soon. And until I do, I wish you all a happy, wonderfully crafty day. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.